What's up, guys? This is Trash Trackers, and today I just got a package from ePromos, and they sent me a sample bin of their mini bins that they have. So let's open up the box. This is the first time I'm seeing it along with you guys, so let's open it up. Don't want to damage anything here. Should be just one mini bin. Here we go, one last cut. Alright, so we got the box open, let's see what's inside. Mini bin and receipt. Awesome. So let's take this out of the way. It's a nice little bag. Oh, very nice. Very nice. This is the ePromos bin. You can get a sample for like $2 online. Shipping is free, I believe. I think I have one of these by Waste Management. I got one from them a while back. Show the camera. Nice blue finish. It's clean in the front. Very, very nice. Got the detachable wheels. And the recycling logos on the corners down here. These are very nice bins. It's got a little bit of lid stops right here. Lid is very nice and loose. Awesome, such a great bin. And they advertise you putting like some office supplies in here. So let's get some office supplies. Oh, yeah, it's definitely working. It looks great on the desk. Or you can do whatever you want with it. Holds a lot of stuff. Let's compare it to a couple other bins that I have. Let's see, I'm going to be comparing it to 3 popular bins. First we have the Bush Systems model, coin bank style. Almost identical, actually. For the most part, it's got that bib in the front. Very, very cool. Here it is next to a Rarig. I got a City of Phoenix Rarig here. A bit smaller, but the Rarigs are big carts. And then lastly, we have it compared to a Rubbermaid Brute. So yeah, very awesome cart we have there. As a rating, I'm going to give this a 4 stars out of 5. Because it is a nice hard plastic. It's pretty balanced. Nothing really wrong about this cart. I love the shape. It's nice and hard. It's not gonna break. But yeah. Thank you to ePromos for sending me a sample. So if you guys enjoy the video, go ahead and hit the like button on it. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you.